I arrived and a bunch of young, super talented breakdancers arrived too, and then we kind of set up the instruments. Also the setup I was playing was pretty like not the regular one I play, and then just they had such an amazing energy. I haven't played with breakdancers before, and it's really inspiring experience just to watch them and kind of get inspired by their movement. And also the people around, it was really nice, cozy vibe. It was such a great experience that I think I'm gonna talk to the guys if they wanna do something in the future also.